Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about periodic function. Before we understand periodic function, let's understand the word function.
Functions are nothing but a set of instructions that give a particular output. If I write add and x and y in bracket, the output will be given by x plus y. So suppose if I put 3 in place of x and 2 in place of y, the output will be 3 plus 2, that is 5. I can make another function that gives me the square of the sum. So first I will do the sum of the numbers and then I will do the square. So I will write that as x plus y whole square. So if I will put 3 and 2 here, I will get 3 plus 2, that is 5, and 5 square, that is 25. There are many other interesting functions. But now let's talk about functions that give a periodic result. A function that will give me the time at a particular moment. Suppose the first time I checked the time, it was 7 in the morning. After a while I checked it, it was 1 o'clock or 1300 hours. Then it was 9 o'clock at night. And then it was 1 o'clock in the morning. After a while, the time will again be 7 o'clock. Right? So because there's a reoccurrence of time or a reoccurrence of value, this function is called a periodic function. The same thing can be done with just month and day. Suppose the date today is 20th of May. After a few days, the date will be 30th September. After a while, it will be New Year, that is 1st January. And then it will be the 3rd of March. After a few more days, we'll come back to 20th of May. This is why date is also a periodic function. Similarly, day of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday again. Why are these functions periodic? Because the earth is rotating along its own axis, and this is why the day is completed and the day starts again from the same point. Because the motion of earth is periodic, this is why these three functions are reflecting periodicity. Even your heart rate is periodic. The first graph will show a healthy heart periodic function. There are two beats, that is the diastole and the systole. But if you are having any heart diseases, this difference from a proper periodic function will tell me that you are having a particular disease. Let's talk about some other real life examples. The sale of sweaters is always high in the month of January because it is winter, and then it declines till May. The sale of air conditioners rises steeply in the summer season, which is around May and June. On the contrary, the sale of umbrellas rise extremely around the month of August and September. Now these are examples of yearly periodicity.
There are examples of periodic function are everywhere. Now go out and find some more example of periodic functions. That's all for today.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Now we will go out and find out in real life example of that periodic function.
Bye students.
Bye, sir.